If I told you a single exercise could transform your core, improve your posture, and even help reduce back pain, all without requiring any fancy equipment, would you give it a shot? Planking might seem simple, but this unassuming move packs a powerful punch when done consistently. Here's exactly what happens to your body if you commit to planking every day. Your core becomes rock solid. The plank is one of the best exercises for engaging your entire core, which includes your rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, obliques, side abs, and transverse abdominis, the deep core stabilizers. Holding a plank daily strengthens these muscles, making your midsection tighter, firmer, and more stable over time. Unlike crunches or sit-ups, which focus on specific areas, planks activate your entire core, leading to balanced strength and better muscle definition. After just a few weeks, you may notice improvements in how your clothes fit, especially around your waist. A strong core also supports nearly every movement you make, from bending and lifting to sitting for long hours. So this change is more than just cosmetic. Improved posture and alignment. Slouching at a desk all day? Daily planks can help. Planking strengthens the muscles in your back, shoulders, and neck that are essential for maintaining good posture. As your core and supporting muscles become stronger, you'll naturally stand taller and reduce the strain on your spine. Poor posture can lead to neck and back pain, tension headaches, and even fatigue. Regular planking combats these issues by reinforcing proper alignment, making you feel and look more confident and energized. Reduced back pain. Lower back pain is a common complaint, especially among those who spend hours sitting at a desk. Planking every day strengthens your core and reduces the load on your lower back, which can alleviate pain and prevent future injuries. Unlike traditional back exercises that can sometimes exacerbate discomfort, planks are a low-impact option that improves stability without putting undue stress on your spine. Many people who add planking to their routine report less stiffness and better mobility in just a few weeks. Increased strength and endurance. Holding a plank might not look intense, but if you've ever tried it, you know it can challenge even the fittest individuals. Doing planks daily builds muscular endurance in your core, arms, shoulders, and even your legs. Over time, you'll find it easier to hold the position longer and notice improved performance in other exercises or physical activities. Whether it's lifting heavier weights, running faster, or simply carrying groceries more comfortably, planks enhance your overall strength and functionality. Boosted metabolism. Planking is a deceptively effective calorie burner. It engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, which means your body works harder and burns more calories, even at rest. While planks alone won't replace a full workout routine, adding them to your daily regimen can give your metabolism a subtle boost, especially when paired with other exercises. A stronger core also improves your ability to perform compound movements like squats and deadlifts, which are excellent for torching calories. Better balance and stability. If you've ever tried a side plank, you know how much balance it takes to hold a position. Planking daily improves your overall balance and coordination, which is crucial for everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even playing sports. Mental benefits. The physical changes are just part of the story. Planking daily can also improve your mental well-being. Holding a plank requires focus, determination, and mindfulness, qualities that carry over into other areas of life. Tips for getting started. Ready to give planking a try. Start with a goal of holding a plank for 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase your time as your strength improves. Be sure to maintain proper form. Keep your back flat, forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, squeezing your glutes and legs for stability. Avoid letting your hips sag or lifting them too high. You can also add variations like side planks, forearm planks, or plank to push-up transitions to keep things interesting and challenge different muscle groups. Planking daily is a simple yet powerful way to improve your core strength, posture, and overall fitness. While it may feel challenging at first, the benefits far outweigh the effort. Are you ready to see what daily planks can do for your body? Start today and let the transformation begin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.